Hello. This is 5-axis CNC working center. It can milling the foam mold and wood mold. 2. The working area is 2 meters for x-axis and 5 meters on y-axis, and the x-gantry is 2.3 meters high and it is 1.5 meters for z-axis working. Now we can come closer to see how it's working. The 5-axis head, it is made in China, and the spindle is made in Italian brand. It has the RTCP function, so it has the composite for the different kinds of angles, axes, and different kinds of tools. The engraving mode will be very precision by each angle. The table is 2 meters for x-axis and 5 axis for the y-axis. The z-axis, it uses 2 air cylinders to make the movement. It is very heavy duty and very stable working. It do not shake and it working very stable while the spindle moving. As we can see from video, the performance for the x-axis is also very stable. For the x-axis, it uses 3 guide rails. To make it moving very smooth and very stable. The whole machine is 10,000 kilogram weight. For the table, for the whole machine weight to make this stable working. Now let's go and see the controller. This controller is Syntec 610MA E5 Vision. It is very good operation, and it has the RTCP functions, which is very important for 5-axis control while working. Let's go see the machine from this side. The wall of the machine for y-axis use 11 millimeter thickness steel tube to welding to make sure the whole machine performance. If you want to know more about this machine, please contact me and I will reply you as soon as possible.